Indoor TV antennas are a great way to cut down on expensive cable bills, providing free access to numerous TV channels in full high definition. These devices are not only simple to set up, but also ensure you don't miss out on your favorite local broadcasts. We've thoroughly researched and compiled a list of the top indoor TV antennas for you. For detailed information on each product, be sure to visit the links in the description below. Now, let's dive in. The first on our list is the Tablo 4th generation. This digital video recorder not only allows you to watch live TV from major networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC, but also offers unique features to pause, record, and replay live content. This flexibility is perfect for those who want to catch their favorite shows on their schedule. What sets this device apart is its whole home access. With one DVR and an included 35-mile range TV antenna, you can stream to multiple devices simultaneously. Whether it's on smartphones, tablets, or through streaming platforms like Roku and Amazon Fire TV, it ensures that your entire household can enjoy its features wherever they are in your home. Another standout feature is the absence of subscriptions or hidden fees. Once you purchase the device and antenna, you're set to enjoy all its offerings without additional costs. It also boasts two ATSC-1 tuners, allowing you to record one channel while watching another, and with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, expandable to 8 terabytes, you won't miss any of your favorite episodes. For those interested in expanding their viewing options, it also accesses over 70 additional free streaming channels. This model doesn't just replace your cable, it enhances your TV watching experience with more variety. In conclusion, the Tablo 4th Gen 2 is an ideal choice for anyone looking to cut the cord. With comprehensive features that allow for recording, replaying, and enjoying live TV across a range of devices, it offers a robust solution for modern TV enthusiasts looking for flexibility and freedom in their viewing habits. The second on our list is the Philips SDV7219N27. This Philips TV antenna offers a stylish and effective solution for anyone looking to transition away from costly cable and satellite services without sacrificing quality. This antenna allows you to continue enjoying your favorite local shows in full 1080p high definition, and it's also 4K Ultra HD ready, ensuring you're prepared for future broadcasting standards. What makes this antenna particularly appealing is its discreet TV-mounted design. It comes with a revolutionary slim profile that can seamlessly blend with your living room decor by sitting on top of your flat-screen TV, mounting on the wall, or even being placed on a tabletop. This flexibility ensures that you can optimize reception by placing it as high as possible or near a window. Performance-wise, it is engineered to excel. Its long, sleek bar design not only enhances the look of your entertainment setup, but also improves VHF signal reception. This design leads to a broader range of over-the-air channels compared to traditional antennas. With the capability to receive HD TV, VHF, and UHF channels from up to 50 miles away, it broadens your viewing options significantly. Additionally, this model includes an adjustable amplifier to boost signal quality. However, if reception becomes pixelated, a straightforward tip is provided. Removing the amplifier might improve your signal quality, a step verified through rescanning for channels. In conclusion, this TV antenna is a superb choice for those looking to enhance their TV viewing experience without ongoing fees. It combines style with functionality, providing superior reception and a design that complements any living room. The third on our list is the Mohu Arc Pro. The Mohu Arc Pro is not just another TV antenna. It's a stylish and functional upgrade for anyone looking to cut ties with costly cable subscriptions. This antenna combines a modern curved aesthetic with the robust performance Mohu is known for, especially with its famous leaf antennas. With a range of 60 miles, the Mohu Arc Pro makes it straightforward to receive a wide array of channels, including those broadcasting in full HD, 1080p, 4K, 8K UHD, and even next-gen TV, depending on your coverage area. Designed to be both decorative and practical, the antenna measures 8.25 inches high by 11.75 inches wide and 2.5 inches deep. It offers versatile placement options. You can hang it on a wall with its keyhole slots or place it on a tabletop next to your TV. The USB power injector enhances its functionality, allowing direct connection to your TV's USB port, simplifying the setup process. One of the standout features of the Mohu Arc Pro is its first-stage amplifier, located right at the antenna. This positioning ensures that the signal boost happens where the signal is strongest, providing clearer reception. Additionally, an integrated signal indicator with LED lights helps you find the optimal placement for the antenna to maximize signal reception. This multi-directional unit captures UHF and high VHF signals from both front and back, ensuring excellent clarity. In conclusion, the Mohu Arc Pro is an excellent choice for viewers looking to embrace free over-the-air TV without sacrificing style and performance. Its innovative design and advanced technological features make it more than just an antenna. It's a key component of a sophisticated home entertainment system. The fourth on our list is the Antop AT500 SBS. This HD TV antenna is a top choice for anyone eager to enjoy free local TV without the hassle of subscriptions or monthly fees. It provides access to major networks such as ABC, CBS, NBC, and PBS, plus additional local channels, all in high definition, ensuring that you stay connected to your favorite sports, news, and TV shows without additional costs. What sets the Antop AT500 SBS apart is its innovative Smart Boost system. This feature includes a built-in adjustment dial that simplifies the connection process and allows you to fine-tune the antenna's reception from 0 to 80 miles. This flexibility ensures optimal signal strength regardless of location, making it a versatile choice for urban and rural viewers alike. The antenna also boasts dual connectivity, allowing you to connect a second device simultaneously. Whether it's another TV, an FM stereo, or any OTA-ready streaming device or projector, the secondary output on the Smart Boost system accommodates multiple media needs at once. This makes the Antop a perfect companion for media streamers, enhancing your entertainment setup significantly. Design-wise, this antenna features a creative bar design with an integrated FM antenna, allowing you to enjoy your favorite radio stations as well as TV broadcasts. Its aesthetic is not only functional but also pleasing, fitting well with a variety of home decor styles. Whether placed on a table or mounted on the wall, this antenna is designed to complement your living space. The fifth on our list is the Goxis SW218 HD005. Dive into the world of free high-definition TV with this advanced digital TV antenna that promises unparalleled access to over-the-air television without any monthly fees. The 2024 latest model isn't just another antenna. It's a gateway to enjoying a wide array of crystal-clear HD channels, including ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, and Univision, among others. This antenna boasts an impressive 2,000+ miles range, thanks to its updated amplifier signal booster. This ensures that even if you're far from broadcast towers, you'll still receive a robust signal, bringing a plethora of local channels into your living room. The advanced Smart IC chip and built-in filter technology further enhance this experience by filtering out cellular and FM noise, ensuring that the only thing you'll be watching is clear, uninterrupted content. The practicality extends to its installation. It comes with a 52-foot-long coaxial cable, giving you the flexibility to position the antenna in the optimal spot, whether it's mounted on a wall, placed high near a window, or even outdoors. For TVs without a dedicated USB output, the included Smart IC USB power adapter ensures your antenna is powered up and ready to go. Additionally, the ease of setup is a significant advantage. You can have the antenna up and running in just 1 minute with various installation options like sticking it to a window, nailing it to the wall, or tying it to a shelf. Its versatility is unmatched, ideal for use at home, in a store, or even on the go in an RV or tent. And that concludes our roundup of the best indoor TV antennas. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect one for your needs. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.